on a sober. Oh! The engine. And the Edwards boo. Yeah. Just say the ghost engine, right? Yeah. If I woo! Oh, whistle. Oh, scary! That the engines. They're all. Yeah. Don't worry, it was just a story. Said there's no such thing. That's the fact control. Hello. Thomas, Percy, Doug, I need you. You to go to the graph. On Halloween, said Percy. Don't worry. You'll be here the time for the fire. Percy, aiming at the fireworks. He is scaredy engine. I am not, said Percy. Soon, the three engines. Come. Okay. What is that there? It was a spook. It's just a piece of scrap. Maybe. Sort of. I don't know. You right, the narrator? Yep, I'm right. Can we go back to continue? Sure. Where was it? Oh yeah, Thomas. Keep teasing Percy. Careful, go, Andrew behind you, said Tom. Tom teasing. Duck. Oh, sorry, Percy. Nobody brave all the time, said Duck. Well, I'm not a scaredy engine, said Percy. Don't worry, chuckled Duck. I have an idea. I'll pay Thomas back for his teasing. Soon, the job had done. Well done, you lot. I need one engine helping the. Okay. Just want to pay back Thomas for his teasing. Please, sir, can Thomas do the job? Okay. I'm not that scared. So Percy and Duck left from the smelter jar. Thomas saw his own. Then noticed the name of ghost, said to herself, and around the chain feel like ghost fingers. Something got me, and he heard the ghost whistle. Said Thomas, "You steam away from you, something helpless, yeah." Yeah. Percy and Star. Good thing, Tom. The ghost engine after me! I don't think he'll be late, said Duck. Soon. They went to the party. Howling fireworks. Where's Thomas? Said Percy. They're right for the teasing, said Duck. Percy wants to find his friend. You're right, Thomas, said Percy. Yeah, I'm sorry I teased you. Duck was right. We're all scared sometimes. We have to say sorry sometimes, said Percy. Come on, let's watch the fireworks here, said Percy, and the two engines watched the fireworks together. The end.